We will code this product card in Next.js and React. If you need e-commerce development services, check my portfolio and contact below. I will presume you can set up your React project yourself, but you can just Google Next.js installation and install Node.js and copy paste this command if you can't. And you will also need ShadCN, so Google ShadCN installation and click Next.js or whatever your React, and then copy paste this command. This is for the components. And then we're gonna search for card, here card on the right, and you will copy this. And then you will also go for button, and you will copy and paste this and to get these components. Now let's create a new component. You ignore the other components. This one is for my tutorial, strawberry product card TSX. So inside of this strawberry product card component, we're gonna use client. We're gonna do these imports, so you should have these installed. And then you're also gonna have Lucid React if you install ShadCN. Then we're gonna make this mock product, so ID, name, price, image, URL, and also you need to download an image that you wanna place, and then I put it here, public, strawberry PNG. So this means public. And then all of this stuff. Then let's create this component. And then quantity, set quantity, use state 1. So this is for selecting quantity. So we have increment quantity to take previous value and increment by 1, and decrement quantity, but it can go to 1, no lower than 1. And then return. Let's make a card, another div inside. So this is going to be the image. The image is a bit absolutely positioned on top. So we're gonna pass in the image and then the class name. Let me save this. This is what we have right now. It's basically nothing, but you will not have the other components like the background. So let me show you. Go to the main page, so app page TSX, where you want to display this, and just import this this component, and this is the div, the background that I have. Let's continue down. So I'm gonna say button. This is from ShadCN. So this is the left and right buttons. Those buttons don't do anything right now, but they can be used, for example, for changing images or changing products. So let's make the other button as well. Let me save it. And now we have these left and right buttons. Let's go card content. So this is product name. This is product description. And then let's make another div, and then quantity. You can find this code in the description below. And then this is div, and then this is another button. So this is decrement and increment the quantity. So we are creating quantities here. So this is the quantity, and then we're gonna have the minus or the plus on the other side. So we're gonna have it like this. This is what we have by now. Then let's go ahead and say another div, total price, and then display the total price, div, delivery, and then another P, and then this is also icon. So this is the delivery. And we're also going to need another button here, so make a div. It's going to be absolutely positioned. This is the buy now button. So right now we're just going to console log this, add to cart, and this is it. And this is what we made. If you need development services, check the link below, and thank you for watching.